Hi, welcome to my video. If you have not done so already, do give a thumbs up to this video, like this video, put some comments in the comment section. Also, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you will be notified with any new videos that I'm going to add on to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about custom number formatting. Now this is part 2. If you have not seen part 1, I will put a link to that video at the end of this video, but you do not have to see part 1 in order to understand part 2. So now in this video I'm going to show you how to use custom number formatting to format positive and negative numbers differently. Let me just show you an example. So here I have a spreadsheet uh, items and some spreadsheet items here. So I have 4 items here, and as you can see, there's an increase or decrease maybe in the prices of these items, and I want to record those increases and decreases. But for increases, I want it to be in blue, uh, and with a dollar symbol or dollar sign at the beginning of the number. But if it's a decrease, I want it to be in red within brackets, and I want to have USD behind instead of in front of the number for some reason. Okay, but the bottom line is I want my positive to be different from my negative format. So how can I use custom number format to do that? Now, if I were just to type it in without any specific formatting, it will just look like this. As you can see, it's just plain what we call general formatting. But I want the negative numbers to look like that and the positive ones to look like this. So what can I do to effect that? So let me just show you how to do this using uh, custom number formatting. Now, before that, some explanation. Using custom number formatting, we are going to do that through the right click. The custom number formatting is basically divided into 2 parts. The first part is the positive format, separated by a semicolon, and the second part is the negative format. So whatever you put on the first part, any positive numbers will follow that format. And whatever you put on the second part, which is after the semicolon, any negative numbers will follow that format. So how is it done? It will be something like this, but let me just show you how it's done over here. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is you need to select the affected area. You can do that after you've typed in the numbers, or you can do that while the cells are empty. So right click on it and just click on format cells. So you have the format cells dialog box. Click on custom. So let me just enlarge the screen. So here we are, right? Now click on custom, and right after you've clicked on custom, click inside the type text box. Erase whatever's inside. Let me just do this from scratch so you can see what's going on. Now for the positive numbers, I want it to be blue. So square brackets, blue. And for the format, I want it to have the dollar sign, a space after the dollar sign. So I type in space. I want to display that in 2 decimal places. So 0.00, signifying I want to display 2 decimal places. So that's for the positive numbers. Now type in semicolon, which is a separator. Now right after the semicolon is where you type in the negative number format. So I want it to be red. So it always follows these 2 parts: positive, semicolon, negative, in that order. So for red, I want it to be for negative, I want it to be red, in brackets, 2 decimal places, so 0.00, okay, a space after that, and I want a USD behind the numbers, so double quotation, USD, close double quotation, and a close bracket. So that's how I type in the formatting code. Once you've done that, click OK. And I'm going to start typing in the numbers. So I just have to type 10. When I press enter, you can see that it follows the formatting code that I have done earlier. I just have to type minus 12. When I press enter, you can see that it follows the code that I typed earlier. So negative numbers will follow the second part after the semicolon, and positive numbers will follow the code in the first part before the semicolon. So once again, this is how it looks like. There you go. So that's it, folks. Custom number formatting.